Good morning, guys. Forget about yesterday, about the day in the life. Today is going to be the real day in the life. I just made it to work, so I do have my AirPod 3s and 4s with me, but I'm going to use the 4 today and give you guys some honest opinion about them. Went up the stairs, I got my breakfast. Let's get it started.
I've done this a day or two. I go and see him back and he's
I'm on my meal break as of now. Currently, I have my AirPod 3s in, but we're gonna change it over to the 4s now, right? We got geese outside, so let me change it to the 4s. These are the 4s, right? And I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put them in my ear, and I'm gonna play some music on my iPhone. So I have them in currently right now, and they popped up AirPods 4 with ANC. And currently I'm playing Come and Go by Yeet. It's been on repeat. That rhymed. I do have transparency on right now, and I'm gonna turn this up and go to noise cancellation. And okay, I don't hear anything whatsoever. I wish you guys could hear this as well, but I don't hear anything whatsoever. The whole environment is like it's basically mute though. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's basically mute. I can't hear anything here whatsoever. But back to transparency, and I can hear everything. I hear my own voice. I can hear the rain. It's raining outside. I can hear the droplets, and there's rain on my camera. Okay, and we're gonna put this back to normal, and it's back to normal. And I can still hear outside, but ANC works flawlessly. And I'm gonna try the stem controls here. But I can increase the volume though. You see that? It's working. And I can pause. Play. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was my bad. I have to do it firmly. Okay. It's working. It's working. Okay, I was like, shoot, why ain't it working? So I have to just press it firmly, but now it's working. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm currently at the gym with these AirPod 4s that I've been reviewing. I know this video is all over the place, but I've been reviewing these and they sound amazing. Like, I hear things I've not even heard with my AirPod 3s. Hey Siri does work, which is crazy. Like, these are not even original AirPods and Siri works. Transparency on these, I'm out of breath because I'm trying to make this while being at the gym. But transparency on these work. Like, I'm working out, I'm playing music or watching a video, my girlfriend is talking to me and I can hear what she's saying and I can hear what I'm saying. ANC as well works flawlessly on these. I'm actually surprised that like these AirPods are outdoing my original AirPod 3s. Like, Hey Siri works, the stem control works like I showed you guys earlier. Like, these are one of the best. I have the links down below in the description as well. But like, so yeah, I'm gonna keep working out and playing music with these. Hopefully you guys are still enjoying the video, and you know, like, go grab them down below in the description. Like, these are fire. These are actually so sick. I'm gonna keep playing them and I'm gonna give you my final verdict once I'm done.